So a few days ago, I was doing something every adult does, and there, right in front of me, was this plant. I mean, it's always been there, but something about it felt familiar this time, and it made me remember that I recently saw a Marvel movie, and that there was a particular scene that got me in awe, and I was like, wow, because I really felt inspired, and that's what I'm doing this today. After cutting some pieces of wood, I realized I had no actual plan. So I had to do what I do best, not having a plan. First, I'll be making a compartment for the battery. Since I planned on using the same battery for future projects, I decided to use tape instead of glue. I know I said I had no actual plan, but I think it's starting to look cool. So I got two sticks and I made a leg. From this part, I just added any piece of wood I could find around me. After sticking the second hand, I decided to add some reinforcements for the legs. I had to choose between a thin or a thick wire for the bulb. So after joining and taping the wires, I proceeded to passing them through the sticks. And I eventually got to the hand where we put in the bulb. I literally got injured while I was trying to fix the head, so I didn't get that part on camera. And then I used some glue to hide the bulb. So this project helps me remember that everyone has a hero. They might be the fastest, the strongest, or perhaps the smartest, or they could even be your parents. And I know Groot is neither of these things I just mentioned, but he does have the attributes of a hero, and that's why I chose Groot.